This is a review of the Sony MDR-EX15AP earphones, which also include a microphone, so you can use it with your phone to video call or audio call in any voice over IP app on the phone. You also can use it as a normal hands-free headphones. Due to the fact that the audio plug has 3 rings on the plug, and it also seems to be gold plated so that the quality of the connection should be better. It also comes included with 2 replacement earphones which come in the large and small size, and the medium size is already installed on the earphones in the package. This is Sony's cheapest earphones at £7.5. Apparently it has been reduced from 15 because this is an old model number which since has been replaced by a newer model number. The newer one looks exactly the same, only it has a different kind of packaging. So if you can find this headphone at a reduced price, you'll get a good deal from it. The cable seems to be slightly longer than the average earphone, and the end of the audio plug is cornered instead of straight, which helps with keeping the cable unsqueezed so that you don't accidentally damage the cable near the plug. Until now, I'm very satisfied with the audio quality of the earphones and also the fit in the ear. It hasn't yet fallen off the ear in normal usage, and the audio quality seems to be fairly good also. And due to the fact that it's an in-ear earphone, it will also isolate outside noise fairly well, even though it doesn't have noise cancelling features. The cable is very smooth and doesn't tangle up when you roll it together. They have this earphone also in different colors other than black, including pink and gray. They also have a special version for Android and for iPhone. This one is the one for Android, but I believe it will also work on any iPhone with an adapter to Lightning. The microphone is on the left earphone, and it includes a start and stop button. Speaking quality seems to be fair, and it's a practical use of the button is when you're listening to podcasts and your phone is in your pocket and you would like to pause or play the audio file. All in all, I'm very satisfied with this earphone, which cost only £7.5 at the John Lewis store in London. That was my review. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.